morning, all of you. Hope you all are doing well. I'm really thankful to JZ Shah Arts College and HP Desai Commerce College for inviting me and for arranging this session. I'm also thankful to WRC of ICAI who is giving me an opportunity to participate in this session. And so I hopeful this seminar is very much informative you to all and you can choose a right career path after this seminar. So let's begin with our today's presentation on career opportunities for chartered accountant. Hope this screen is visible to each and everyone.
Now it's back. Yes.
So let's move on. So this is the session, today's session on career counseling for chartered accountant. What is ICAI? ICAI is Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It is It is statutory body established by an Act of Indian Parliament, the Chartered Accountants Act 1949. It has its more than 70 years of its existence and it has achieved recognition as a premium accounting body globally. It is second largest accounting body in the world. It has its infrastructure spread across the India as well as in foreign countries. It has its own buildings and auditoriums, seminar halls, information technology centers, and a lot of community computers and everything for its members as well as for students. Its contribution towards professional excellence is immense and it cannot be just restricted to this particular website, this particular slide, but still I am enlightening you the few points which gives you the picture of how the institute has contributed towards professional excellence. The strength of the CA fraternity. Please, if my voice is not audible or you cannot share my screen, please interrupt me. Huh?
Whatever, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. The strength of the CA fraternity stands at over 3 lakhs member and ICI will host 21st World Congress of Accounts in 2020. ICAI has recently partnered with Niti Aayog for launching Women Entrepreneurship Platform and also contributing with the Indian government in drive against the black money. One of the key step, one of the key step of ICAI towards professional excellence is implementation of UDIN. UDIN is nothing but a unique document identification number which is the unique identification number given to us any certificates or reports which are signed by the chartered accountants. The objective of implementing UDIN is to curb the misrepresentations done by the third party representing themselves as chartered accountants so that anyone can sign to any document. So to avoid this, the institute has implemented UDIN for its members. Now I recollect one line of our past president, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, that is CA is a partner in nation building. How CA is contributing in nation building, how they are bridging the gap between the public and the government. There are various ways in which the CA is bridging the gap between public and government. I am enlightening you the few of this. That is, the CA is मेक इंश्योर जो कंप्लायंस होते हैं वो पीपल अच्छे से हम लोग जैसे पब्लिक है वो अच्छे से वो कंप्लायंस समझ सके उसको कंप्लाई कर सके जैसे टैक्स रिटर्न से जीएसटी रिटर्न से कंपनी के कंप्लायंसेस है वो अच्छे से उनको समझ सके उसको कंप्लाई कर सके सो गवर्नमेंट कैन इजीली कलेक्ट रेवेन्यूज फ्रॉम दैट कंप्लायंसेस सो अगर हम लोग अच्छे से कंप्लायंस फॉलो करते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट अपने रेवेन्यू इजीली कलेक्ट कर सकता है. So this is the one way where CA is institute is or chartered accountants are bridging the gap and government is easily collecting revenues from the common public. Secondly, जो transparency maintain रखते हैं financial statement में CA is a major role to play in this. They ensure that financial statements will reflect the true and fair view so that the people like us can invest or government can understand the financial position of particular company. They can understand whether this company is doing good, earning profits or is in loss. So those signed financial statements government can easily know. Then through various recommendations, what happened that जब भी कोई नया लॉ आया हुआ रहता है या फिर कोई ड्राफ्ट बिल पास होता है तो इंस्टीट्यूट और सीए चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स उसको अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं, उसके रिकमेंडेशंस मेंबर से लेते हैं कि अगर ये इनकम टैक्स के एवरी ईयर जो बजट्स आते हैं तो इंस्टीट्यूट इज टेकिंग recommendations from members, understands if there is any loophole in that act or not, and make all these recommendations before the government, so that if there is any gap or if there is any compliance loophole, government will understand that and can revise that policy and make make the proper act of the income tax. Through this way, this is the brief of ICAI. What is ICAI? Now, our main subject of today's session is how you can enter into the CA course and how you can go ahead after becoming CA. Let's move on to this. Dream CA, believe CA, and achieve CA. Yes, it is true. CA is one of the dedicated profession and it is one of the reputed and very much respected profession in commerce field. Before your name, if you have a CA prefix, it will give you an immense value. It will give economic well-being, lot of reputation in the social, international exposure, attractive career options. But yes, to become a CA, this is a mantra that hard work plus dedication is equal to chartered accountant. How you can enter into this course? This is the slide which gives you the clear picture that how you can enter into this course. Basically, there are two routes to enter into this course: foundation route and direct entry. Foundation route and direct entry route. So if you are in the class 12 exam and you have already appeared for your class 12 exam, you can register with the ICAI till June 30th or December 31st of that particular year, and you can eligible to appear in November or May of that particular year for first level of of CA course, that is the foundation course. Basically, this foundation course is known as a common proficiency test. It is objective based examination. It covering four subjects of in the CPT exam. Once you clear this foundation course, you are eligible to register for the intermediate course. Intermediate course has a two groups. You have to appear, either you can appear for one group or appear two groups together. You have to pass both the groups of the intermediate. Then comes to the main crux of the CA course, that is practical training experience. It is a basically 3 years of practical training practical training with the CA firm and industrial training. You can do with the industry also, right? But before completing, register yourself with the practical training, and after uh, passing the intermediate course, you have to complete 4 weeks of ICITSS training. It is a practical training of it is the ICITSS training stands for Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skill. This course is developed so that before entering into the practical training, the student can understand the information technology, that is MS applications, MS Word, PowerPoint presentation, so that can easily cope up with the CA, easily cope up with the practical experience, how the CA form are functioning, what are the applications and softwares used in the CA forms or in the industry, and soft skills, that is to verbal communication. They can understand the verbal communication, how to represent yourself before third party. So through this course, they can understand the information technology as well as soft. So after that, you are eligible to register for the practical training. Complete 3 years of practical training. आपका practical training चल रहा है immediate, and you have also passed both the groups of intermediate, right? So now you are eligible to register for the CA final course. See, here we are saying that register for the CA final course after passing both the groups of the intermediate. और आपका 3 साल का आप जब रजिस्टर कर रहे हो CA फाइनल कोर्स के लिए, तभी आपका 3 साल का इंटर्नशिप साथ में चलता रहता है. Now comes to final exam. of CA final course. But there are two conditions that you have to fulfill before you are eligible to appear for the final exam. You have to complete your 3 years of practical training, as well as you have to complete 4 weeks of advanced ICIPSS training. This is the advanced course which you have done before. It is advanced of that is also known as the integrated course on information technology and soft skill. This training pertains to 100 hours, and this training also you will get a very good experience of practical training and information technology and soft skills, so that you are it will be very much helpful for you to represent yourself before third person. So this training is very much helpful. Once you're done with your 3 years of practical training and this advanced ICITSS course, you are eligible to appear in the final examination. That is the third level of the CA course. Do the hard work, and with the dedication, you can clear and you can crack the final examination. Now comes to direct entry route. There is only a one difference between the foundation route and direct entry route is this. Those who have done the कॉमर्स ग्रेजुएट एंड पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट, दैट इज जिसका टीवाई बीकॉम हो गया और जिसने एमकॉम किया हुआ है और जिसने बीए किया हुआ है, बीएससी किया हुआ है, and had scoring more than 60% in the graduation course, they don't have to appear for the foundation exam. They can directly register for the intermediate course and do this and follow the same steps after intermediate course, which we have already discussed before. And those who are students of Cost Accountants of India in Institute of Cost Accountants of India or इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ कंपनी सेक्रेटरीज ऑफ इंडिया, ऐसा होता है कि जो लोग ऑलरेडी ICSI CS कर रहे हैं साथ में और जिसने उसने उनका फाउंडेशन दे दिया है, तो they are not expected to give the foundation exam. They are exempted from giving foundation course, and they can immediately register for the intermediate course. So register for the intermediate course, undergo 4 weeks of ICIPSS training, and join 3 years of practical training after this ICITSS course. Hope I'm clear with this thing. If you have any query with the chartered accountancy procedural part, you can post your queries in the Q&A session. So let's move. This slide is real, that how you can enter into the chartered accountancy course. Now this is the fee structure of chartered accountants course. This is a fee structure of foundation course, intermediate course, final course, other fees and total fees. I'm representing this slide along with the stipend slide. Just a minute, I'm opening the slide. So CA is a course which is on while you learn course. That is, you are learning along with you are earning through your articleship experience. Suppose our institute has set a minimum stipend criteria for article students. सो इफ यू इसमें क्या होता है कि जब भी आप सेकेंड ईयर्स ऑफ इंटरमीडिएट कोर्स आपने इंटरमीडिएट आपने पास कर दिया एंड नाउ यू आर जॉइनिंग इंटर्नशिप इन अ CA फॉर्म और इन इंडस्ट्री, then and you are working doing internship in a city and town having population of 10-20 lakhs and above, or in a cities and town having population of 4 lakhs and above but less than 20 lakhs, or in a city or town having population of less than 4 lakhs, then minimum stipend that you will get is 2000 first year, 2500 it is per month, and second year, and 3000 third year. So these are the total stipend that you will earn in different situations in all the three. The course fee of this entire CA course is approx to 77,200, whereas the minimum stipend that you will get is 92,000. This is the minimum criteria. Again, I am saying, because this is the minimum you will get, and the maximum will depend upon the CA firm in which you are working. If you are working with the Big Four, then you will get much more higher than the minimum standards. So this is the on while you learn course. This is the mantra of becoming a CA. hard work plus dedication is equal chartered accountant. This is my personal experience that never lose hope in the ICAI exam. Do the hard work and dedication and be focused. You will achieve CA degree. अभी CA क्लियर हो गया, CA प्रीफिक्स आ गया नेम के आगे. नाउ व्हाट? काफ़ी लोगों दे आर वेरी मच अश्योर दे आर कि हाँ मुझे CA के बाद मेरा खुद का प्रैक्टिस चालू करना है, नहीं मुझे जॉब करना है. कोई अपने फादर या अपने खुद का बिजनेस चालू करता है और कोई फर्दर स्टडीज करता है. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन. काफ़ी लोगों ने अपना ये माइंड पहले से बना के रखा है और काफ़ी कोई ऐसे स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं या कोई ऐसे मेंबर्स रहते हैं जो आर वेरी मच कंफ्यूज्ड व्हाट टू डू आफ्टर CA. Either to start own practice or I want to join CA firm industry. Many confusions. Now I'll explain you in detail in each of this area. Whether to go for a CA firm or whether to go for own practice or job or employment or want to start a business or further studies, UPSC exam or management studies. Let's first discuss on own practice. अभी ओन प्रैक्टिस क्या रहता है? अभी सपोज आपने CA क्लियर किया, आपने बोला नहीं मेरा खुद का मुझे प्रोप्राइटरीशिप चालू करना है और मैं मेरे जो और CA उनके साथ मेरा पार्टनरशिप ओपन करूंगी या LLP फॉर्म ओपन करूंगी. ठीक है. अभी प्रैक्टिस दो एरियाज में होती है, ट्रेडिशनल फील्ड और ट्रेडिशनल एरिया एंड नॉन ट्रेडिशनल एरियाज. बोथ आर इक्वली कॉम्पिटिटिव एंड बोथ आर इक्वली रेवेन्यू जनरेटिंग. ट्रेडिशनल फील्ड में क्या रहता है? अकाउंटिंग आप करते हो या फिर आप ऑडिट करते हो, टैक्स करते हो या रिटर्न फाइलिंग रहता है, GST रिटर्न फाइलिंग्स रहता है. और नॉन ट्रेडिशनल जो अभी काफ़ी CA फॉर्म्स है जो ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिस फॉलो करती है एंड दे हैव अ गुड स्टैंडिंग इन दी सोशल स्टेटस, राइट. अभी नॉन ट्रेडिशनल एरियाज है जो हम लोग जैसे यूथ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स करते हैं. इसमें कौन से एरियाज कवर होते हैं? Suppose अभी मोदी गवर्नमेंट इज प्रमोटिंग स्टार्टअप्स वेरी मोदी गवर्नमेंट स्टार्टअप के लिए इतना प्रमोट कर रही है कि स्टार्टअप्स को सब सब्सिडीज दे रही है, उनके लिए लॉ अमेंड कर रही है, उनको प्रोविजंस अलग अलग उनके लिए फ्रेम करके रखे थे. दे आर एलिजिबल फॉर एग्जेम्पशंस, दिस एग्जेम्पशंस, दैट एग्जेम्पशंस. तो हम लोग का CA का काम इसमें क्या हो सकता है? स्टार्टअप के लिए हम लोग स्टार्टअप के जो पूरा रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस है, जिसकी सब्सिडीज जो उनको मिलती है, पूरा समझ ले उनको एक बार कि क्या ये स्टार्टअप है तो उनको ये सब्सिडी मिल सकती है, ये स्टार्टअप है तो उनको ये सब्सिडी मिल सकती है. अगर ये सब्सिडी मिल सकती है तो इनकी एप्लीकेशन प्रोसीजर क्या है? अगर ये पूरा हम लोग एक बार समझ लें, so we can be the consultant for the startup and for the subsidy availability. We can be the consultant for them. And it is I believe it is very much less, it is less competitive. बहुत कम लोग हैं जो ये प्रैक्टिस फॉलो करते हैं. अगर आप ये प्रैक्टिस में आगे जाएंगे, बिकॉज द गवर्नमेंट इज प्रमोटिंग स्टार्टअप राइट नाउ, तो आप उनके लॉ अच्छे से पढ़ ले, उनके प्रोविजंस अच्छे से गो थ्रू कर ले, उनके एप्लीकेशन प्रोसीजर समझ ले. यू कैन बी द कंसल्टेंट ऑफ स्टार्टअप. देन सेकेंड पॉइंट, you can be the you can be the practicer in the loan syndication. What is that? लोन सिंडिकेशन क्या रहता है कि अलग अलग बिजनेस को फंड्स की जरूरत पड़ती है. इफ यू हैव अ गुड कॉन्टैक्ट विद द बैंक्स एंड विद द NBFCs, you can arrange the funds for your clients. This is a loan syndication. Then third point is you can be the consultant for the payroll and the related compliance of the payroll. उसमें क्या रहता है कि कोई कंपनीज है वो खुद का अपना HR डिपार्टमेंट उनके पास नहीं रहता है, वो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स पे डिपेंड रहते हैं फॉर दैट. तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, आप जिस उनके पूरा सैलरी का मस्टर है या फिर उनके आप उनको अलग अलग प्रोसीजर बताइए कि आप सैलरी आप ऐसे फ्रेम कर सकते हो, उनको सैलरी का पूरा फ्रेमवर्क बना के दें, सो दैट उसमें एम्प्लॉय भी बेनिफिट में रहे और एम्प्लॉय भी रहे, कि उनके अलग अलग बेनिफिट्स आप उनको पूरा सैलरी स्ट्रक्चर फ्रेम करके दो, उनका पेरोल डिज़ाइन करके दो और उनके रिलेटेड कंप्लायंस में आप इन्वॉल्व हो जाओ, उसके PF में, उसके प्रोफेशनल टैक्स के कंप्लायंस में, उसके ESIC के कंप्लायंस में, उनके TDS के कंप्लायंस में. सो यू कैन बी द कंसल्टेंट इन द पेरोल as well as in the other related payroll compliances. Then fourth you can do is you can be the investment banker. If you have a good experience and have a thorough knowledge of derivatives, forex, and the share market, you can be the consultant in that. Then fifth you can do is you can be the fraud detection and फ्रॉड डिटेक्शन कंसल्टेंट. अभी क्या होता है कि अलग अलग ऑफिसेज में, सभी ऑफिसेज में आईटी बेस्ड तो हो गई अपनी सब कंपनीज और काफ़ी ऑफिसेज, एवरीथिंग इज ऑन आईटी बेस्ड. लेकिन आईटी बेस्ड में काफ़ी अभी रिस्क होता है कि कहीं पे ये हैक हो जाएगा या कहीं पे मेरा डेटा मिसप्लेस हो जाएगा या मेरा कोई डेटा यूज़ कर लेगा. तो चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट का रोल इसमें क्या होता है? चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट उनको पूरा इसकी जो आईटी के सिस्टम है वो उसको पूरा थरो करता है एंड कहाँ कहाँ पर भी वो फ्रॉड डिटेक्ट होने के चांसेस रहते हैं तो उनको आइडेंटिफाई करता है एंड पूरा उनको प्रोसीजर इस तरह से फ्रेम करके देता है कि देयर विल बी अ वेरी लेस चांसेस ऑफ फ्रॉड डिटेक्शन एंड एरर fraud. So this way the chartered accountant can be the consultant in the fraud detection or the so forensic. Sixth you can do is you can be the रेरा कंसल्टेंट. अभी रेरा जो लॉ है वो स्टेट वाइज है, अलग अलग स्टेट में अलग अलग लॉ है एंड दिस इज द मोस्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव आई मस्ट से बिकॉज ये रेरा लॉ इतना अभी आगे आ गया कि बिकॉज दिस इट इज़ द ऑन गोइंग लॉ. अभी इसमें काफ़ी अमेंडमेंट्स आते रहते हैं. तो इफ़ यू आर थरो विद दिस लॉ इन अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्टेट यू कैन बी द कंसल्टेंट इन दिस. देन you can be the consultant or you can be the you can start your practice in consolidation of Ind AS and IFRS accounts because I think before 2 years before there is application of Ind AS and it is almost a mandatory for each and every company to follow Ind AS. And if your company is not following Ind AS and you have to convert your financial statements from normal accounting standard to Ind AS. Now role of CA is that आप उनको कंप्लाई करो, उनको कंपनी को हेल्प करो वो कंप्लायंस में, उसके कन्वर्जन में फ्रॉम नॉर्मल अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड टू इंड AS कंप्लायंस एंड CA इज प्लेइंग अ वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट रोल इन दिस. मैनी कंपनीज जो लिस्टेड कंपनी है उनके लिए तो मैंडेटरी है ये, और बाकी जो अलग दूसरी कंपनीज है इसका टर्नओवर काफ़ी अच्छा रहता है, करोड़ में रहता है, उसके लिए भी मैंडेटरी है कंप्लायंस. तो CA is playing a really significant role in this. So these are the options are available in there if you want to start traditional practice as well as your own practice in traditional area as well as in non-traditional areas. Hope I am clear on this. If you still have any query, please inbox your queries in the chat box. Now second options what is available. अभी हम लोग के जैसे जो यूथ जनरेशन है वो क्या करते हैं, दे हैव फोकस्ड योर माइंड, नहीं मुझे जॉब ही करना है, मुझे एम्प्लॉयमेंट ही करना है, मुझे प्रैक्टिस के इसमें नहीं जाना है. अभी जॉब करना है तो व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल? There are two ways available, two options available. Either you can join CA firm or industry, because no organization in this world can work without chartered accountant. Chartered accountant is must in fact a small company as well as in the big industry, right? So CA firms होते हैं उसमें आप ज्वाइन हो जाओ, कोई मिड साइज CA फर्म ज्वाइन करो या फिर कोई बिग 4 ज्वाइन करो. अभी CA फर्म में आप अभी अलग मिड साइज CA फर्म रहती है, उसमें अलग अलग डिपार्टमेंट्स रहते हैं. बेस्ड ऑन योर इंटरेस्ट यू कैन ईदर चूज डायरेक्ट टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, कॉर्पोरेट टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स, corporate finance department, legal department. Based on your interest you can choose any of that department. और अगर आप कोई organization join कर रहे हो, be with that organization for a few years so that you can understand the process, you can understand the organization, you can understand the practical world, and you can be in a good level आफ्टर फ्यू ईयर. सपोज आप एज एन एसोसिएट ज्वाइन करते हो वहाँ पर और आप 5-6 साल वहाँ पे वो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए काम करते हो, यू कैन बी द मैनेजर, यू कैन बी द सीनियर मैनेजर, यू कैन बी द पार्टनर. इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर परफॉर्मेंस, बट येस कंसिस्टेंस इम्प्रूव द परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ यू. सो बी विद दैट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन फॉर अ फ्यू ईयर्स. अगर आपने इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन की है तो देर आर ऑल्सो इन दैट सिनेरियो ऑप्शन ऑल्सो वेरियस ऑप्शंस आर देयर. You can join pharma industry, manufacturing industry, join banking industry, you can join finance industry. Like अभी आप कोई इंडस्ट्री में ज्वाइन करते हो Same like CA firm, be with that organization for a few years, and so that you can be the if you can, if you will perform better, you can be the head of that department, you can be the CFO. This will consistency will improve your level as well as your monetary remuneration also. So in the if you want to do a job or employment, be with consistency is required. अगर हाँ आप बैंकिंग इंडस्ट्री ज्वाइन कर रहे हो तो इट इज़ एडवाइजेबल टू जॉइन अ फॉरेन बैंक. फॉरेन बैंक क्यों? बिकॉज इन अ फॉरेन बैंक यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर. आपको चैलेंजेस मिलेंगी हाँ, लेकिन सामने आपको इंटरनेशनल एक्सपोजर भी उतना ही मिलेगा. आपको ग्रोथ मिलेगी. फिर आप कहीं पे आउटसाइड इंडिया सेटल भी हो सकते हो विद योर ओन CA डिग्री, राइट? सो आप फॉरेन बैंक्स ज्वाइन कर लो. दिस इज द सिनारियो ऑफ जॉब और एम्प्लॉयमेंट with your CA degree. Now comes to third point, entrepreneurship or business. A question mind में आता है, can CA be the businessman? Yes, CA can be the businessman and he can do a business much better than the normal person can do. CA क्या रहता है कि he is a thorough knowledge of finance, of economics and business strategy. तो वो इजीली बिजनेस सिनारियो को समझ सकता है एंड ही कैन बी द गुड एंड दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द बिजनेस टू रन. उनको डाइवर्सिफिकेशन का भी नॉलेज अच्छा रहता है. डाइवर्सिफिकेशन इज मस्ट फॉर द बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटीज. अभी CA ने अलग अलग अपनी प्रैक्टिस में अब इंटर्नशिप में काफ़ी एक्सपीरियंस लिया हुआ रहता है फॉर टैक्सेशन लॉ. उन्होंने इतने डिपार्टमेंट काफ़ी लोग अटेंड जाते हैं तो दे कैन बी अवेयर ऑफ कि गवर्नमेंट कैसे चलती है, गवर्नमेंट के साथ क्या इश्यूज आते हैं, कैसे उनको टैकल करना है. तो ऑल दिस फैक्टर्स विल हेल्प देम टू रिमूव दी हर्डल्स, रेगुलेटरी हर्डल्स जो बिजनेसेस में काफ़ी टाइम आते हैं. Though they can be the good entrepreneurs as compared to normal. And I'm saying the few entrepreneurs who make the this institute proud. That 5 entrepreneurs, there are what I'm saying is Ram Radheshyam Agrawal. He is a member of CA Institute and he is a co-founder of Imami Group, who have started as a member of CA Institute. He has started their own practice और उन्होंने अपना बिजनेस अभी वो मुकाम पे लाके रख दिया है कि वो अभी जो कंपनी का फाउंडर है वो अभी लिस्टेड कंपनी है. निर्मल जैन, ही इज अ फाउंडर ऑफ इंडिया इन्फोलाइन ग्रुप. ही इज अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट एंड मेंबर ऑफ ICAI. Sonia, CA Sonia Singhal, who has launched job portal for chartered accountant. India's first job portal exclusively dedicated for CA in 2013. So she has started a job portal for chartered accountant and it is exclusively for CA. Then Mr. Rajesh Magar, who is a co-founder of Make My Trip. He is also chartered accountant from ICAI. Dhruv Shirangi, he is also co-founder and CEO of Yatra Online. He is chartered accountant. So now let's move to another fourth option, that is further studies UPSC management. Now suppose अभी CA डिग्री तो है ही जिसका वैल्यू इमेंस है, which is giving you fame, name, everything you wished in your life. But there are people who want to do studies further, who want to, and yes, it is a feather on the hat that if you have one more degree along with the CA, this will gives you a good position in the MNC or in the industry, or you can, it is also helpful for if you have started your own practice. सपोज आपने खुद के प्रैक्टिस चालू की और आपको बैंक ऑडिट्स लेने हैं तो उसमें आप एक डीसा डिग्री है, डिप्लोमा इन इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टम ऑडिट. इट इज द कोर्स विच इज given by ICAI, conducted by ICAI. It is, and the one point is that it is only CA are qualified to do this course. That is, the professional degree is required to conduct the DISA course. So it is, and this degree is this diploma course degree is mandatory to get the banks audit and information system audit. अगर आपकी own practice है और अगर आप CA plus DISA हो तो you can get the bank audits and you can take the information system audit. One step ahead of DISA is CISA. It is Certified Information System Audit. It is a world recognized degree and it is conducted by, and this course is issued by Information System Audit and Control Association, ISACE. It is US based course, but it is much ahead than the DISA. Then third, you can do is the CIA, Certified Internal Auditor. It is same like CISA. It is also a world um, renowned कोर्स फॉर सर्टिफिकेशन इन इंटरनल ऑडिट. अभी किसी ने अपना माइंड मेकअप कर लिया है कि नहीं मुझे इंटरनल ऑडिट में मेरा करियर आगे बढ़ाना है. सीए तो है, सीए प्लस सीआईए गिव्स देम अ गुड opportunity for them to start their career in internal audit. फिर ACCA, CA plus ACCA. ACCA is Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. If you have CA degree plus ACCA, you can start your practice across the world. And yes, one more thing in ACCA is that the actually ACCA course में 14 papers होते हैं. अगर आपके पास CA degree है and you are chartered accountant, you are exempted from 9 papers out of 14. So आपको क्या करना है? You have to give only 5. You have to give exam for only 5 papers in the ACCA degree, because institute has signed MOU with the ACCA and you are exempted from giving exam for 9 papers and you have to give exam for only 5 papers. This is the ACCA. अगर आप CA हो और आपको ट्राइब्यूनल्स में, हाई कोर्ट में, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में आपको प्रैक्टिस करना है उसमें, तो यू गेट द LLB डिग्री विद CA. CA plus LLB is a good degree and a lot of reputed degree also. You can be the practitioner in the in High Court, in Supreme Court, and you represent the clients before that. Now, diploma courses and certification courses after CA. Institute has many certification courses for its members and diploma courses for members. सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स में क्या रहता है? जीएसटी सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स इन जीएसटी, इन इंडेस, इन इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन, इन इंटरनल ऑडिट, फॉरेंसिक ऑडिट, फॉरेक्स एंड ट्रेजरी मैनेजमेंट, डेरिवेटिव्स. Based on your interest, you can select any certificate course available on the institute website. And believe me, this certificate course is very helpful to you. सपोज आप कोई जॉब, अगर आप कोई भी फील्ड में हो, अगर खुद की प्रैक्टिस में हो, जॉब में हो, अपना खुद का बिजनेस चला रहे हो और आपको पर्टिकुलर एक्सपीरियंस की ज़रूरत है. सपोज आप इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर हो, तो इंस्टीट्यूट का जो सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स इन फॉरेक्स एंड डेरिवेटिव्स, अगर आप वो कर लो तो आपको उसमें काम अपने बिजनेस में काम आएगा, जिसमें आप इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग में हो. अगर आप CA प्रैक्टिस में हो और पर्टिकुलर इंटरनेशनल टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट में आप काम करते हो, तो इसका सर्टिफिकेशन कोर्स है, सर्टिफिकेट कोर्स इन इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन. इफ यू डू दैट, दिस विल एनहेंस योर नॉलेज. You will get a specialization in that particular subject and you can achieve, believe me, milestones, lot of milestones. फिर इंस्टीट्यूट के कुछ पोस्ट डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज भी है फॉर इट्स मेंबर, दैट इज फॉर द CA. पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन डिप्लोमा कोर्स इन इंटरनेशनल टैक्सेशन है, मैनेजमेंट एंड बिजनेस फाइनेंस है, डिप्लोमा कोर्स इन इंश्योरेंस एंड रिस्क मैनेजमेंट है. ये सब कोर्सेज है वो स्पेशलाइजेशन करने के लिए रहते हैं. अगर टैक्स में आप आगे आए हो तो इसका डिप्लोमा कोर्स डायरेक्ट टैक्स है, तो अगर इसमें आप थोड़ा और एडवांस लेवल पे पहुंचते हो तो आप अपनी जॉब में और अपनी पोजीशन को ऊपर लेने में ये सब कोर्सेज आपको बहुत काम आते हैं. दिस विल एड वैल्यू टू योर करियर. ओके, नाउ कैन द CA बी द सिविल सर्विस? CA कैन बी इन द सिविल सर्विस. Yes, CA can be in the civil service. And if CA are not in the civil service, who will be in the civil service, right? Yes, because CA के पास जो रेवेन्यू का और टैक्स का एक्सपोजर रहता है वो नॉर्मल लोगों से ज़्यादा रहता है. तो CA can give the UPSC exam and can become the IRS or IRS officer and can work with the government department, because government department में CA का भी contribution बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है. तो he can be the good IRS officer and working with the income tax department. आप फर्दर मैनेजमेंट कोर्स भी कर सकते हो इसमें. लेकिन because institute has tied up with the IIM Ahmedabad also, who is conducting residential management programs or management courses for the members. PhD, अगर आपको किसी में PhD की डिग्री लेनी है, आपको वो डॉक्टोरियल डिग्री लेना है टैक्स में, फाइनेंस में, तो यू कैन टेक द PhD ऑल्सो, बिकॉज टोटल 114 इंस्टीट्यूट है जिसने अपनी CA कोर्स को रिकॉग्नाइज किया हुआ है फॉर स्पेसिफिक पर्पस ऑफ रजिस्ट्रेशन टू PhD प्रोग्राम ऑफ रिस्पेक्टिव यूनिवर्सिटी, राइट? So this what we have discussed is own practice, job employment, entrepreneurship or a business, and further studies. And one more thing, which with that I will conclude this particular slide, that recently while presenting the interim budget of 2021, CA Piyush Goyal, the Honorable Minister for Railway, and also given additional charge for Minister of Finance, said that we are poised to become a $5 trillion economy in the next 5 years and aspire to become a $10 trillion economy in next 8 years, thereby implying that the role of chartered accountants is only going to get more and more important from here on, and there could be a dearth about 25,000 professionals in the market in the future. So believe me, the role of chartered accountants will be tremendous in the further economy, in the near economy, and you will be a very valuable person in the economy. Let's move ahead. This what we have discussed. Now the CA can serve in all possible avenues of commerce. He can be the entrepreneur, he can be the information technology consultant, he can be in the advisory services, advanced finance and economics, and can be in the management and consultancy services, can start their own business and they're working with the government department, and he can be the teacher also. This is the articleship, IC articleship and industrial training placement portal. This portal is specifically designed for articleship and industrial training for the students who are registering themselves after completing intermediate course. जो अपने intermediate course करने के बाद articleship के लिए अपने register करते with ICAI can register on this portal. How it works is, पोर्टल कैसे काम करता है ये, इसमें CA फर्म और कंपनीज रहती है जो रजिस्टर करती है, फिर विद एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर अप्रूवल और वो सब चीज़ें, जिसमें अपनी जो वैकेंसी अपनी फॉर्म में और अपनी कंपनी में वो वैकेंसीज वो यहाँ पे पोस्ट करती है. अगर आपने एज ए कैंडिडेट आपने अपनी you have registered yourself with this portal, you can view the vacancies posted by the CA firms or company. CA फॉर्म और कंपनी वो एलिजिबल स्टूडेंट्स को, कैंडिडेट्स को सर्च करते हैं, उनको शॉर्टलिस्ट करते हैं बेस्ड ऑन देयर क्राइटेरियाज और बेस्ड ऑन देयर मेरिट्स. इंटरव्यू शेड्यूल करते हैं, इंटरव्यूज होते हैं और आपको वहाँ पर वो CA फर्म या कंपनी में प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग के लिए, इंटर्नशिप के लिए आपको वहाँ पे जॉब मिल जाती है. सो हाउ दिस CA फर्म्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स कैन register themselves with this portal. This is benefits for the students. उनको पता नहीं है, अभी किसी के पास कोई रेफरेंस नहीं है कि मैं कहाँ पे इंटर्नशिप करूँ, मेरे लिए मैं कौन सी CA फॉर्म में एज इंटर्न के लिए जाऊँ, तो दे कैन रजिस्टर देमसेल्फ ऑन दिस पोर्टल. यहाँ पे वैकेंसीज पोस्ट होती रहती है. अगर आप अपने खुद को वहाँ पे यहाँ पे रजिस्टर करोगे तो आप जो उन्होंने वैकेंसीज पोस्ट की है आप उसको देख पाओगे, और वहाँ पर अगर आपके क्राइटेरिया उनकी वैकेंसीज से मैच हो रहे हैं तो यू विल गेट जॉब और यू विल गेट इंटर्नशिप इन दिस एंड दैट CA फर्म और इन द कंपनी. होप दिस chart is clear. This is the ICAI portal of articleship and industrial placement platform. Now we'll come to second session. This is the ICAI is conducting virtual classes, e-learning session and campus facilities for its members as well as for the students. You can view the links available on this slide. These are the ICAI publications. Publications में क्या होता है, अभी कोई recent topics है या फिर कोई judgments आए हुए हैं सुप्रीम कोर्ट के या डेली एडवांस रूलिंग्स रहते हैं, वो सब ये publications में प्रिंट होते, पब्लिश होते हैं. तो तो भाई ये पब्लिकेशन से हम लोग को इतना नॉलेज मिलता है कि जो प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, प्रैक्टिकल डिफिकल्टीज रहती है, और आप अपनी व्यू, आपको यहाँ से इतना नॉलेज मिलता है ये सब पब्लिकेशन से, कि आपको पता चलता है कि प्रैक्टिकल में एक्चुअली कैसा लॉ चलता है, कैसा लॉ फ्रेम होता है। इसमें प्रोसीड्यूरल एस्पेक्ट भी कवर होते हैं, नए नए अपडेट्स आते रहते हैं, नए नए आपको judgments आते रहते हैं. This publications will help you to be with the updates and to be with the practical world. Now, one of the important point of today's session is ICAI Commerce Wizard Test. नॉर्मल जो टेस्ट रहते हैं, टैलेंट सर्च टेस्ट, उसमें क्या रहता है कि दे विल ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट दैट हाउ मच यू नो. अलग अलग क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं, आपको पता रहता है अरे मेरे पास ये नॉलेज है, ये नॉलेज है, ये. लेकिन नहीं, ये ICAI कॉमर्स विजार्ड टेस्ट क्या है, दैट इट विल measures how well a student has understood the concept. They will check your ability to understand the concept, right? Who are eligible to for this particular test? Those who are appearing in class 9, 10th, 11th, 12th, and those who are in BCom, BA, BMS allied subject examination can register themselves for this ICAI Commerce Wizard test. Basically, it is divided into two levels, level 1 and level 2. All participants in the level 1 and level 2 will receive participation certificate, and those who would score good in level 2 will, and those who are in top 200 will receive consolation prize, and those who are first 3 students can receive monetary prize from the institute. इनका स्पेसिफिक पोर्टल है www.icicommercewizard.org, जिसमें आपको टाइम दिया गया है, जिसमें आप रजिस्टर कर सकते हो विद द बेसिक एग्जाम रजिस्ट्रेशन फीस, बहुत नॉमिनल फीस है वो. यू कैन बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस कॉमर्स विजार्ड टेस्ट. Yes, and our institute is also salute to those who serve and secure our independent sovereignty. तो जो मिलिट्री फोर्स है और पैरामिलिट्री फोर्स है, उनके लिए, और जो रेलवेज के एम्प्लॉयज़ है, उनके लिए इंस्टीट्यूट स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम भी स्पॉन्सर करती है. सपोज कोई फैमिली है जो मिलिट्री और पैरामिलिट्री से बिलोंग करते हैं, और रेलवे एम्प्लॉयज़, जिसके पेरेंट्स और कोई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो रेलवे में काम करते हैं, उनके लिए इंस्टीट्यूट स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम भी देती है. वो स्कीम कैसे रहती है कि इट इज़ इफेक्टिव फ्रॉम 2018 to 2022. 75 मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट्स विल बी अवॉर्डेड दी स्कॉलरशिप, जिसमें 75 में से 50 स्कॉलरशिप विल बी अवॉर्डेड टू वार्ड्स ऑफ मिलिट्री एंड पैरामिलिट्री पर्सनल, एंड 25 टू वार्ड्स ऑफ पर्सनल इन रेलवे. अवार्ड, स्कॉलरशिप अवार्ड कैसे रहता है कि जो 50% फीस है फाउंडेशन कोर्स की, इंटरमीडिएट कोर्स की और फाइनल कोर्स की, 50% विल बी स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय ICAI. It is admissible for only one child per family, those who want to pursue CA course in the future. And जो बच्चे हैं जिसको ये स्कीम ऑप्ट करनी है, दे हैव टू अपीयर फॉर द ICAI कॉमर्स विजार्ड टेस्ट, एंड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द मेरिट्स they will select for the scholarship scheme of ICAI, and based on the merits वो लोग यहाँ पे shortlist होंगे और उनको ये स्कीम मिलेगी. One of the institute is every year institute is arranging twice this campus placement program for its students as well as members के लिए रहता है बहुत. जब अगर आप CA हो गए हो वो पर्टिकुलर ईयर में, सपोज आप नवंबर में क्लियर हुए हो, तो नेक्स्ट ईयर जब ये कैंपस प्लेसमेंट होता है, यू कैन रजिस्टर योर सेल्फ विद दिस कैंपस प्लेसमेंट प्रोग्राम, और आपको वहाँ पर जॉब मिल जाती है. बिकॉज ये कैंपस प्लेसमेंट में काफ़ी बिग फोर्स भी रहते हैं और काफ़ी रेप्यूटेड कंपनीज भी पार्टिसिपेट होती है, लाइक प्राइस वाटर हाउस कूपर, दैट इज PwC, Genpact India Private Limited, Tata Consultancy, Axis Bank, Deloitte, Macquarie, Federal Bank, Barclays, Accenture, BSR and कंपनी, DXC टेक्नोलॉजी, और काफ़ी कंपनीज रहती जहाँ पे इसको यहाँ पे लिस्ट नहीं किया गया, बट दे विल बी दी पार्ट ऑफ दिस कैंपस प्लेसमेंट प्रोग्राम, और यहाँ से वो कैंडिडेट्स को पिक करती है और अपने कंपनी में उनको जॉब देती है. एंड एवरेज डोमेस्टिक सैलरी offered for this recruitment is 9.12 lakhs per annum to 24 lakhs per annum. This is USP of CA profession. That is what is the CA profession gives attractive career options. It is a great learning at minimal cost. Yes, this is the fact for the CA course is that it is a this degree requires not maximum investment. Only a very few you have. It is you can be a CA with very minimum cost. Then institute is arranging for a members campus placement. Then there is no age bar in this course. You can join CA course at any age. In fact, recently in this year, in fact, 10th standard student can also register for the CA course, and after completing the 12th exam, they can give a foundation examination. Like so, age is no bar for the CA. Yes, the power of CA signature. Power of CA has a right to sign us. It is area in which is mandatory to get the documents certified from the chartered accountant. In a tax audit, in forensic audit, company audit, foreign currency remittances as per FEMA, or there is various certifications which require certification from chartered accountants. And the power of chartered accountant signature is immense. And in fact, the our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has given one statement that to addressing the CA fraternity that your signature is more powerful than the PM, and government also believes the account signed by you. This will give you the picture that how is the power of CA signature and what is our value. This we have already discussed before. Additional features, that is, you are eligible for civil service examination. You can also be the part of IIM management courses. You can also take the eligible for PhD in certain Indian universities and IITs. What we have discussed before, total 114 institutes are there who are recognizing CA degree for the post qualification, and there are various certificate courses and post qualification courses conducted by the ICI for its members. These are the prominent chartered accountants who have made the name of the institute very proud. They are all are chartered accountants, like CA Piyush Goyal ji, who is a Union Cabinet Minister of Government of India. CA Suresh Prabhu ji, who is a former Union Cabinet Minister of Government of India. CA Shri Kumar Mangalam Birla is Indian billionaire industrialist and chairman of Aditya Birla Group, one of the largest conglomerates in India. CA Shri Harish Salve, former Solicitor General of India, senior advocate in Supreme Court. He was awarded with the Distinguished Padma Bhushan for his contribution in public service. CA Shri Sudha Balkrishnan, she is a 12th Executive Director of RBI and first ever CFO chosen by the RBI. CA Srimati Naina Lal Kidwai, formerly Group General Manager and currently the country head of HSBC India. She was awarded with a distinguished Padma Shri for her contribution in the areas of commerce, trading, and industry. CA Sri Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, an Indian billionaire investor and trader. He is commonly referred to as Warren Buffett of India. CA Rameshwar Thakur, previous Indian Union Minister, Governor of Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, served as a president of ICEI from 1996 to 1967. These are the quotes from the distinguished leaders of our India. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who was a president of India, said that the fast increasing tempo of the industrial and economic development of the country makes it imperative that every chartered accountant should realize that he belongs to a profession which provides the first line of defense to an unworried public against money grabbers and opportunists. Your responsibility in this matter becomes all the greater because of the autonomy which your profession enjoys. Dr. R.S. Radhakrishnan, addressing the CA fraternity, said that you will help us in maintaining high standards of public behavior by your frank and candid accounting and auditing. It is therefore essential that you maintain the high standards. Whatever profession you might follow, you should not forget that everyone is artist in his own line, whether it is accounting or auditing. writing, or doing the job of a sculptor or a painter. Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri addressed to us and CA fraternity and said that I cannot conceive, conceive what would happen if there were no accountants and no auditors. Not only the mute shareholders in a private company, but industries and economy of the country as a whole would suffer without your help and adequate guidance. Then Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam quoted that I suggest that all the CA should take following oath. I will not only bring out problems of financial management for protecting the interest of the stakeholders of the enterprise, but also suggest possible solution with ethics as a way of life. Shri Narendra Modi ji, by addressing our CA fraternity, quoted that your profession is in a society that has the capacity to save this entire economy and keep it growing. A chartered accountant's role should be such that he knows that he is not working just to add and subtract these numbers between 0 to 9, but he should feel that he is playing an important role in building the economic infrastructure of this nation. Yes, it is very true. Then Ratan Tata, the chairman of Tata Group, he is always respecting our CA fraternity and quoted that I need MBAs to run my business, but I need CA to teach MBA how to run the business. Yes, it is true. This is a recently, and I must say, this is a very motivational story for me as well. That the daughter of auto rickshaw driver who secured a first rank in chartered accountants course in 2012, Miss Prema, is a normal belongs to normal middle class family of four members and her parents and younger brother. His father is an auto driver in Tamil Nadu for 20 years. And through her dedication and hard work, she secured CA final first rank. That is, it is all India rank first rank she secured in 2012. Then the second one is CA Rajni Gopal. She is the first blind lady who became CA in 2002. No, nothing can be more motivated than this. So CA is a degree which is a very prestigious, very respected degree, and but only one thing I want to conclude with this today's session is that this you can be the CA, but only hard work is required, dedication is required. You should be focused, and so the mantra of becoming a CA is hard work plus dedication plus focused is equal to chartered accountants. That's what I want to conclude with this today's session. Thank you all of you for arranging this session and listening to me. Hope this session is very much informative you to all. So shall we start with the Q&A session?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. So I would like to request Professor Monik Shah sir to, if you have any questions, so please to ask the speaker that we can at least uh, have any queries to solve out that. So Monik Shah sir, please.
ફર્સ્ટ ઓફ ઓલ સીએ વિજય દોશીને હું ખૂબ ખૂબ ધન્યવાદ આપવા માંગુ છું કે એમને ખૂબ જ સારી રીતે 1 કલાકની અંદર સીએના મોસ્ટલી ડાઉટ સોલ્વ કરી નાખ્યા છે. પણ સાથે સાથે સ્ટુડન્ટના બેઝિક ક્વેશ્ચન છે જે અમારી સમક્ષ અહીંયા આવ્યા છે. ફર્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન છે કે સ્ટુડન્ટનો કે એમને ક્યાં રજિસ્ટર થવું જોઈએ સીએ માટે.
Institute they have a separate portal of ICAI. ICAI નું એક પોર્ટલ છે CA Institute નું. Sorry, I am speaking in Hindi so that each and every can understand this.
Yes, yes.
CA का पोर्टल है ICAI का, जिसमें वेरियस गाइडलाइंस अवेलेबल है. अगर वो स्टूडेंट 12th में है और 12th एग्जाम्स दे रहे हैं तो आफ्टर 12th अभी वो रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं CA के लिए. एंड उनका जब 12th खत्म होने के बाद, सपोज ये साल में ये 12th हो जाएगा, दैट इज इन द मंथ ऑफ मार्च 2021, तो इमीडिएटली वो रजिस्टर करके द कमिंग नवंबर, दैट इज नवंबर 2021 में they are eligible to appear for foundation 1 examination, that is CPT exam.
The second question is, does need to join tuition class for CA?
It depends. See,
But because
self study
most
is
of
the
the
best
students
study.
get question.
सेल्फ स्टडी इज द बेस्ट स्टडी फॉर सीए कोर्स. हाँ, लेकिन काफ़ी नए 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 सब्जेक्ट्स रहते हैं सीए में, लाइक कॉस्टिंग रहता है, फेमा रहता है, इंटरनेशनल टैक्स रहता है. तो जो प्रैक्टिकल सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनके लिए ज़रूरत पड़ती है. फॉर द थियोरी सब्जेक्ट्स नो, इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर एक्चुअली. एंड इंस्टीट्यूट के इतने वर्चुअल सेशंस है, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियोस है पोर्टल पे, जो स्टूडेंट्स को हेल्प करता है कि वहाँ से वो लोग नॉलेज, कुछ भी क्वेरीज है वो वहाँ पे कह सके. और इंस्टीट्यूट ऑल्सो अरेंजिंग लाइव डेस्क फॉर स्टूडेंट्स. जो स्टूडेंट्स की क्वेरी है वो वहाँ पे क्वेरीज डाल सकते हैं और दे विल गेट इमीडिएट आंसर फ्रॉम द इंस्टीट्यूट.
हेलो मैम,
हाँ,
एक्चुअली मुझे भी एक क्वेश्चन था
बोलिए ना.
कि अगर सीए होने के बाद विच विच सिटी, मतलब कौन सा शहर और कौन सा मतलब जगह है जहाँ पर जॉब करना मतलब अच्छा पैकेज और मिल सके, या तो क्या पैकेज होगा सीए होने के बाद? तो मुझे मतलब आफ्टर सीए मतलब हाउ मच लाइक आई स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ मैं, मतलब उसके जैसे क्वेश्चन है.
इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. सी, इसमें ऐसा रहता है कि डिपेंड्स अभी कहाँ पर आप, अभी सपोज अब बिग फोर सीए फर्म्स है तो वो बैंगलोर में भी है, मुंबई में भी है, या कोई बैंक है जो अलग अलग जगह पे स्प्रेड हुई है, कोई किसी की ब्रांच यहाँ पर है. तो इट डिपेंड्स अपन, आपका क्वालिफिकेशंस, आपकी परफॉर्मेंस कैसा है, पे स्केल उसके बेसिस पर रहता है, जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज उसके बेसिस पर है. अगर आपका परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा है, आपके क्राइटेरियाज, उनके जो क्राइटेरियाज लिस्ट डाउन है उनसे फुलफिल हो रहे हैं, तो यू विल गेट अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटीज और गुड जॉब इन द नॉन मेट्रो सिटीज एज वेल. इन मेट्रो सिटीज के कंपेरिजन में तो अहमदाबाद में भी जॉब मिल जाएगा, मुंबई में भी मिल जाएगा, सूरत में भी मिल जाएगा, और पुणे, बैंगलोर. इट इज़ नथिंग लाइक कोई सीए का डिग्री और ये जॉब वैकेंसीज वो सब कोई सिटी वाइज और ऐसे नहीं है. इट डिपेंड्स हाउ यू fulfill their requirements.
મોસ્ટ ઓફ સ્ટુડન્ટનો ક્વેશ્ચન એ હતો કે એ લોકોએ ઇન્ટર્નશીપમાંથી વચ્ચે ડ્રોપ લેવું હોય, એ લોકોએ કશે સિટી ચેન્જ કરેલી હોય તો એને શું પ્રોસિજર છે?
ઇન્ટર્નશીપ માટે
હા, ઇન્ટર્નશીપમાંથી ડ્રોપ જોઈતું હોય.
1 યર પછી, એટલે 1 યર ની અંદર એ લોકો આવી રીતના 2 વખત એ લોકો ચેન્જ કરી શકે છે સીએ ફર્મ, એટલે ઇન્ટર્નશીપ માટે. તો દે કેન ચેન્જ ટ્વાઇસ ઇન અ યર. હા, અમુક ટાઈમ પછી સ્પેસિફિક રીઝન હોવું જોઈએ આવી રીતના ઇન્ટર્નશીપ ચેન્જ કરવા માટે. અને સીએ ફર્મ્સ અલાઉ ધેમ ટુ ચેન્જ ધ અધર ફોર અધર ફોર્મ ઇન્ટર્નશીપ માટે. એટલે સીએ ફર્મ પણ અલાઉ કરે છે. સપોઝ હવે તમે કોઈ XYZ સીએ ફર્મમાં ઇન્ટર્નશીપ તરીકે જોઈન થયેલા છો અને આવી રીતના કોઈ રીઝનથી ઇફ યુ વોન્ટ ટુ ચેન્જ ધ સિટી અને તમારે કોઈ બીજી સિટીમાં શિફ્ટ થવું છે, તો યસ, તો અમુક એપ્લિકેશન્સ અને ફોર્મ્સની પ્રોસિડ્યુરલ આસ્પેક્ટ હોય છે, અને વન્સ યુ કમ્પ્લાય વિથ દેટ યુ કેન જોઈન અધર સીએ ફર્મ અને તમે એમાંથી છોડી શકો છો.
બીજી એક ક્વેરી હતી કે સ્ટુડન્ટ થિયરિકલ તો બહુ એક્સપર્ટ થઈ જાય છે, પણ એ લોકોએ ટેક્સ નોલેજ અને પ્રેક્ટિકલ કેસ સ્ટડી માટેની કઈ રેફરન્સ બુક એ લોકોએ સ્ટડી માટે એપ્લાય કરવી જોઈએ?
રેફરન્સ બુક હવે ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટનું જે સ્ટડી મટીરિયલ છે, મોડ્યુલ્સ છે, અને જે એના અમુક રિવિઝન ટેસ્ટ પેપર્સ છે એ બહુ કોમ્પ્રિહેન્સિવ છે, ડિટેલ્ડ છે, જેમાં પ્રેક્ટિકલ એમસીક્યુઝ આપેલા હોય છે ને ઘણી વખત સિમિલર ટાઈપના ક્વેશ્ચન્સ પણ રિપીટ થાય છે એક્ઝામિનેશનમાં. તો આઈ સજેસ્ટ કે તમે સીએની જે ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટની મોડ્યુલ્સ છે અને એના જે રિવિઝન ટેસ્ટ પેપર છે એનું સ્ટડી મટીરિયલ છે એ ગો થ્રુ કરો. ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી કોમ્પ્રિહેન્સિવ અને અપડેટેડ હોય છે એના. અને ઇનફેક્ટ જે બજેટ આવે છે, હવે ટેક્સ માટે જે બજેટ આવતા હોય છે એની અકોર્ડિંગલી આપણે પેપર સેટ થતા હોય છે. હવે લાસ્ટ યર જે બજેટ આવ્યું, અત્યારના જે આ વર્ષ છે એ આપણા અસેસમેન્ટ 2021 પ્રમાણે આ વર્ષના બધા આપણા ટેક્સના પેપર સેટ થશે. અને તમે આનાથી અપડેટેડ નથી તો ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટની બુક્સ છે એના માટે કે તમને ખાલી એટલું જ આપશે નોલેજ, એટલે એટલું જ ખાલી એમાં લખેલું હશે જે જે ચેન્જીસ થયા છે, લાઈક ઇન્કમ ટેક્સના રેટ ચેન્જ થયા છે, કોઈ નવો સેક્શન આવ્યું છે, તો ઇન ધીસ, હા, ટીડીએસના રેટ ચેન્જ થયા છે, એ તમને એ પર્ટિક્યુલર આખી ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ સપ્લિમેન્ટ્સ બહાર પાડે છે, તો તમે યુઝ કરી શકો છો. ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટનું મટીરિયલ ઇઝ મચ કોમ્પ્રિહેન્સિવ એન્ડ ઇટ ઇઝ ઇનફેક્ટ આઈ હેવ ઓલ્સો ગોન થ્રુ દેટ એટ ટાઈમ ઓફ માય સ્ટડીઝ, માય એક્ઝામ.
And the last question is very interesting. Highest salary we can get by working on CA.
Sky is the limit. In fact, my answer is also like that. Sky is the limit. Yes, it is, and it is the true. તમે તમારું પરફોર્મન્સ સારું રાખો છો, if you are dedicated, તો sky is the limit for a CA. Yes, it is true.
Okay.
અને સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ માટે તો હજી પણ એ જ કહું છું, પ્લીઝ હાર્ડવર્ક કરજો, ફોકસ્ડ એન્ડ ડેડિકેશન ઇઝ મસ્ટ ફોર ટુ બીકમ અ સીએ. અને કોઈ અટેમ્પ્ટ લાગે છે કે એક અટેમ્પમાં ફેલ નથી થઈ રહ્યા, કે બીજી અટેમ્પ્ટ લાગી, ત્રીજી અટેમ્પ્ટ લાગી, પ્લીઝ ડીમોટિવેટ નહીં થતા, ડોન્ટ ટેક અ સ્ટ્રેસ, અને ઈ જ કે ફોકસ, અને તમારે કમ્પ્લીટ કરવું જ છે. સીએ ઇઝ ધો ઇટ ઇઝ અ કમ અગેન ડિગ્રી, પણ કેમ લોકો કમ અગેન થાય છે? બિકોઝ દે અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધી વેલ્યુ ઓફ ધ સીએ. તમારી આગળ સીએના પ્રિફિક્સ આવશે, સીએ સો એન્ડ સો, તમારી તમારું આખું ફરક પડી જશે તમારા સ્ટ્રક્ચર, વેલ્યુઝમાં, સ્ટેટસમાં, તમારા એક્સપોઝરમાં. ડિગ્રી ઇઝ ધ ઇમેન્સ વેલ્યુ.